Everyone, let's go and take a look at how to make your Android keyboard smaller or bigger on your Android device. Now, it's a super basic process, really doesn't take too much time, but it really does depend on which Android phone you have. Like if you have a Samsung Galaxy, it's much easier to do this on a Google Pixel, but you can always download the Samsung keyboard APK file and basically install it that way. So to start off, what we're going to want to do is we want to make our way over to some sort of text box. So in this case, you will have this text box come up right here, and we want to click on it to open up the keyboard. Now, when we're in our keyboard panel, what we want to do is we want to click on a settings panel that comes up. So this should be like some sort of settings panel that's available. So you can click on settings right here, and this box will basically come up right here. Now, what you can do here is you see a bunch of different things that come up, but what we want to do is we want to change our keyboard size. So there should be a little panel somewhere that basically tells us essentially this like keyboard size and all this other stuff that we can basically kind of change. So here, right here, we have size and transparency. So what we can do is we can click on size and transparency, and what we can actually do is change the size of this keyboard. So grabbing the top, we can actually make it bigger or smaller. There's a maximum size we can make it, but we can make this keyboard bigger by basically dragging and dropping it bigger just like this. If we want to make it smaller, you can go and drag it just like so, and you can make it smaller as well. There's a minimum size to it too. So you can choose some sort of middle ground, whichever one you want to go and choose. If you want to make it bigger, drag it up, make it smaller, drag it down. But whenever you find that middle ground, go ahead and leave it there. And what you can do there is you can go and click done. Now when you click done, you can basically hop out of your keyboard just like this, and you should be able to see your keyboard has now changed size. So that's basically how it's done. You can now make your keyboard bigger or smaller on your Android phone. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.